Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Food Saver. Today I will make apple pie without using any oven. So let's start. For making the recipe you will need apple, cardamom powder, flour, chilled butter, baking soda and salt, 1 pinch and lemon juice. I have taken 1.5 cup of flour and a cube of chilled butter. A pinch of salt and baking soda has already been added. Crush the chilled butter properly so that it looks like breadcrumbs. And after mixing the butter properly, add water slowly and make a soft dough. Apple pieces are cut into very small size as you can see. Then heat some butter in the pan and add the apple pieces to it. Then add 4 teaspoons of sugar and mix it thoroughly. After the apple releases some water, keep aside the apple to another bowl. Cook the remaining apple juice for 2-3 minutes until it turns light brown in color. After it turns the light brown color, add the apples to it again. Now turn off the gas and add some corn flour to maintain the consistency and some lemon juice to it. And also add the cardamom powder now. Cut the dough into 2 halves and roll one dough into a chapati size to fit the bowl. The bowl must be greased with oil or melted butter. Now firmly place the chapati dough into the bowl and roll another dough to make the cover. You can decorate it according to your choice. I am decorating it like this. After completing it with your decorations, now place a stand onto a pan and turn on the gas and place the bowl over it and cover it and cook for 40 to 45 minutes. Coming after 45 minutes, our apple pie is ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching my upcoming videos.